previous class we have discussed about in the previous class we have discussed about the two methods here. Okay, so one is homogeneous form and another one is y into f of x comma y into dx plus g into x into g of x comma y into dy is equals to 0 form. Okay, now let us go for the third model and the fourth model here. Okay, so in this model 3 and model 4, I'm combining it. I will explain you in model 3 and model 4. So how you are supposed to find it out, whether the problem will belongs to model 3 or whether the problem will belongs to model 4 and all those. Okay, so here the question will be given to you in the same way. I'm going with the procedure how to do it. Okay, so let us see the procedure of model 3 and model 4 here. So what is the procedure of finding out whether the question belongs to model 3 or model 4? Means in model 3, okay, in model 3, suppose the given equation will be in the same way, which is m into dx plus n into dy is equals to 0 here. Okay, so what is the difference in model 3 and model 4? Means here if m terms are more, okay, so that means the number of m terms are more, so then we will be checking one condition here. What is the condition here? If m terms are more, we will be going with the condition 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Okay, so when you are checking this condition, you will get the resultant as the function of x here. So function of x means it will be a log x, it will be a 1 by x, it will be a sin x. So whatever it may be, but it will belongs to the x variable here. Okay, so when you are checking the condition, the resultant will be the function of x here. Okay, so after getting the function of x, you will go with the integration factor as e power integral f of x into dx. So after finding out the integration, what we will do here, we will be multiplying this integration factor to the given equation, which is equation 1 here. Okay, so equation 1 ki multiply chesi, again we will convert the equation into m1 into dx plus n1 into dy is equals to 0, and we will check the condition that dou m by dou y will be equal to dou n1 by dou x here. Okay, and finally the general solution will be integration of x m into dx plus integration of n1 not containing x terms, right? So this is the procedure here. The same procedure we will follow for the model 4 also. Okay, so in this model 4 also, the given equation will be in the form of m into dx plus n into dy is equals to 0, which we are taking it as equation 1. So here, what is the difference between model 3 and model 4 means? So here in model 4, the number of n terms are more. Number of n terms are more here. If the n terms are more, so you will be checking the condition here. What is the condition? You can see here n terms are more. So I will start the condition with 1 by m. So since I have taken 1 by m here, so I will be checking here with, I will be starting here with dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. So when I'm checking this condition, the resultant will be the function of y here. The resultant will be function of y. Okay, so after getting the function of y, what we will do here, we will be going with the integration factor as e power integral f of y into dy here. So after that, we will multiply this integration factor to equation 1 here. Okay, and convert the equation into m1 into dx plus n1 into dy is equals to 0, and we will proceed with the same process here. Okay, so this is the model 3 and model 4. Okay, so let us go with the problems based upon this model 3 and model 4 here. Okay, now I will start the question, I will start the problems now. So let us see here. I'm taking a question in this way. So let us see if the question was given to you in this way. Solve x square plus y square plus 2x whole into dx plus 2y into dy is equals to 0. Okay, so this is a question which was given to me. Okay, so you can check here the given equation is in the form of, let me to take it as equation 1 here. Okay, so here the given equation, how it is here, equation is in the form of, m into dx plus n into dy is equals to 0. So now you go for what are the m terms and what are the n terms here. So let us go with m terms. What are the m terms here? X square plus y square plus 2x here, and what are the n terms? 2y. Okay, after taking m and n terms, what is that? First you need to check whether it is a non-exact or not. So for the non-exact or not, what you will go here? You will go with partial differentiation m with respect to y and partial derivation of n with respect to x here. Okay, so what is the differentiation of m with respect to y here? Y square differentiation is 2y here. And what is the differentiation of n here with respect to x? So here you don't have any x term, so it's equal to 0. Okay, now so here you got dou m by dou y as 2y and dou n by dou x as 0. So therefore both are not equal. So dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. So therefore equation 1 is non-exact differential equation here. Okay, so since it is non-exact differential equation, so what we are going to check the condition now. Now you need to check the m terms and n terms. Okay, so first you people don't know whether it belongs to model 1, model 2, model 3 or model 4. Okay, so first you people will be starting with the model 1. So where you people check whether it is in a homogeneous or not. No, it is not in a homogeneous. You can check each and every term here. Here x square is there, here y square is there. Yes, but coming to this term, it is 2x and here it is 2y. So the powers is not equal for each and every term. So it is not a homogeneous equation. Coming to the second model. So second model means what is it here? In second model, we will be having in the form of y into f of x comma y into dx plus x into g of x comma y into dy. That form, right? So say it is not in that way also. Now coming to the third model and the fourth model. So in third model, you check the m terms and n terms. You can see here the number of n terms are more here, right? So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. And coming to n terms, you are having 1 itself, right? So how many m terms are there? 3 are there. So here number of m terms are more. Nana, 1 minute. Hello? Yes. Now listen here. So since it is non-exact, so we will be checking one or the other condition here, right? So hello? Okay, yes. So here number of m terms are more. So you people will be writing here. Therefore, in equation 1, the number of m terms are more. Number of m terms are more. So since the number of m terms are more, what is the condition you people will be going through? So the condition is 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x here. So first check this condition now. So you know what is the m, what are the n terms, what is dou m by dou y and what is dou n by dou x. Chalo, check the condition here. What is n here? N is 2y, right? And what is dou m by dou y here? Dou m by dou y is what is dou m by dou y here? 2y, right? So here you people will be going with 2y here minus dou n by dou x. What is dou n by dou x here? 0. Okay, now go with it, which is 2y by 2y. So here both will be cancelling and you will be getting it as 1. So therefore 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is equals to 1. So maybe you people will be getting a doubt here. Madam, you told that you we will be getting the function of x here. Suppose if you are getting a constant also, you can consider it as e power 0x also, right? It will be considered as a function of x and it may be considered as a function of y. So since you are checking for the function of x, this one will be considered as e power 0x. Okay, so most probably you people will be getting in the form of function of x only. Suppose if you got the constants in this way, okay, so you people will be choosing in this way. Okay, so here one is there, so this will be treated as function of x only. Okay, so since it is function of x, what is the integration factor here? Integration factor is e power integral f of x into dx here, right? So which will be e power integral 1 into dx. So 1 into dx means what is it here? X. So e power x will be the integration factor now. So therefore integration factor is equals to e power x now. So after getting the integration factor, what you people are supposed to do? You need to multiply integration factor to equation 1. Chalo, multiply it with the equation 1. What is it here? Which will be e power x into x square plus y square plus 2x into dx plus 2y into e power x into dy is equals to 0. So let me to take it as equation 2 here. Okay. Now equation 2 is in the form of m1 into dx plus n1 into dy is equals to 0. So what is m1 here? m1 is equals to e power x into x square plus e power x into y square plus 2x into e power x. And what is n1 here? n1 is 2y into e power x. So after getting m1 and n1 here, you people will be going with dou m1 by dou y here. Okay. So since you are doing with respect to y here, right? So here you people will be going with only y term, right? So what is y square here? What is y square differentiation here? 2y. So here you people
2y.
will be getting it as 2y e power x here. Okay. In the same way, dou n1 by dou x. So you people will be doing differentiation only for the x term. What is the x term here? E power x. E power x differentiation is e power x only, right? So that's why you people will be getting here as e 2y into e power x only. Okay, so you can see here, therefore dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x here. So since both are equal, so whatever the equation 2 is there, it is exact differential equation now. It is exact differential equation. Okay, after that, go with the general solution formula. What is it? Integration x m1 into dx plus integration of n1 not containing x terms into dy is equals to c here. Okay, so what is the m1 terms here? M1 terms is e power x into x square plus e power x into y square plus 2x into e power x plus integration of n1 not containing x terms. But here n1 you are having it, as you can see here. Yes. Here, if you are going with n1 term, so here you are having x term in that, right? So there is no single y term. So since there is no single y term, so you people will be going with 0 into dy is equals to c here. Okay. Now do the integration part separately now. E power x into x square plus e power x into y square plus 2 into integration of x into e power x whole into dx is equals to c. Okay, now you have to go for separately here, right? So what is it here separately? uv again, right? So u and v, shall I continue with this one? Sorry, it is not uv here. Okay, Okay, UV. Okay, chalo, let us go with this. So what is u and what is v? I can take here. Yes. So u and v. What is integration of uv here? U into integration of v minus integration of derivative of u into integration of v here. Okay. So what is it here? Let us take here. I have taken u as e power x here. So that's why what is it? E power x into integration of x squared minus derivative of u means e power x into integration of x squared. Okay, so plus, and coming to the next term, so y square is treated as constant, so y square will be taken as it is, and e power x integration is e power x by 1, so which is e power x only, so you people will be getting e power x only. Okay, so plus 2 into, so here u and v, so what is it here, which is integration of u into means x into integration of e power x minus derivative of it means which is 1 into integration of e power x. Okay, so by solving this, you people will be getting here the equation as e power x into x squared plus e power x into x plus e power x into y squared minus 2 e power x. Okay, you people will be getting this equation. Okay, is equals to c. So in this way you have to do it. So you people know how to do this integration part, right? Do you people know how to do this integration part? Shall I continue? చేస్తారా నేను చెయ్యాలా? సింగిల్ ఆన్సర్. వచ్చా రాదా? వచ్చు అంటే మీరు చేయాలి, రాదు అంటే నేను చేస్తాను. What happened, ma? Okay, so you people will try it, right? So ikkada integration part okati apply cheyandi, apply cheste you should get the answer as e power x into x squared plus e power x into x plus e power x into y squared minus 2 e power x. This is a general solution here. Okay, now in the same way I will go with the next model here. Okay, so what is the next model here? Number of n terms are more. Wait a minute, beta. I think in your PDF, you people don't have these questions, I think so, right? ఎవరి దగ్గరైనా పీడిఎఫ్ ఉందా నేను చెప్పింది, లేకపోతే నేను చెప్పిన నోట్స్ ఉందా? Will you people tell me one problem? Okay, I'll go with this one. Otherwise, can I go with this problem? Solve 2xy into dx minus x squared plus y squared plus 1 into dy. This is the problem which I am taking by my own. Okay, so let us see this one. I will just tell you the procedure here. Okay, you just go with the procedure. Okay, not with the problem. First, if you know the procedure, whatever the problem was given to you, you can solve it. Okay, if you don't know the procedure, whether it is a sure question also, you people will, if you forgot one point, okay, you people will forgot the some other points also. Okay, now let us start. I'm starting the recording now again. Yes. See here. So one more question I was taking here. Solve 2xy into dx minus x squared plus y squared plus 1 into dy is equals to 0. Okay. Now, so again this is in the form of m into dx plus n into dy is equals to 0 here. Right. So what is the m terms here? M is equals to 2xy and n is equals to minus x squared minus y squared minus 1. Okay, now what is dou m by dou y here? Dou m by dou y is equals to 2x. And what is dou n by dou x here? Dou n by dou x is minus x squared, differentiation is minus 2x. So you can see one is positive and one is negative here, right? So you can tell that therefore dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x here. So therefore equation 1 implies equation 1 is non-exact differential equation. It is non-exact differential equation. So after this non-exact form, what we are supposed to do, we need to check which method it belongs to, right? So it doesn't belong to the first one, it doesn't belong to the second one, it doesn't belong to the third one. Now coming to the fourth model, you can see here the number of n terms are more than the m, right? So you can write here, therefore in equation 1 contains more n terms, more n terms. So since we are having more n terms, so what is the condition you need to check here? You need to check the condition 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. Okay, so check the condition. You know what is m here, right? So 1 by 2xy into dou n by dou x means what you are getting here? Dou n by dou x means minus 2x you got. Okay, minus dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y you got it as 2x here. So finally you got it as minus 4x by 2xy. Okay, so here x will be getting cancelled, 2 here. So you got minus 2 by y. So did you got the function of y here? When you're checking this condition, what I told you, you have to get the function of y. So did you got the y term here? Yes, which is minus 2 by y, right? So which is minus 2 by y. So which is nothing but the function of y here, right? So therefore, so when you are checking the condition, you got the function of y. So integration factor will be here e power integral f of y into dy. So which is e power integral minus 2 by y into dy. So which is, what is the integration of 1 by log 1, right? So which is e power minus 2 log y here. So you can write it as e power log y power minus 2. So e and log will be getting cancelled and you got y power minus 2. Y power minus 2 means what here? It is nothing but 1 by y square. So therefore, yes. So what is the integration factor here? 1 by y square. So you got the integration factor as 1 by y square. Now after getting the integration factor, what you are supposed to do? You need to multiply integration factor to equation 1 here. Okay, so multiply it, which is 2xy by y square into dx minus x squared plus y squared plus 1 by y square into dy is equals to 0. So if you're having any cancellation of terms, you can cancel the terms. Okay, so first go with equation 2 here. Equation 2 is in the form of which form, beta? m1 into dx plus n1 into dy is equals to 0. So here m1 is equals to, here y and y will be getting cancelled. So I can write here 2x by 1. Okay, and n1 I got it as minus x squared by y squared plus y squared by y squared. I will be getting 1. So minus 1. Okay, and minus 1 by y square. Okay, so this is dou m, m1 and n1 terms. Okay, now coming to dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x here. Okay, so dou m1 by dou y. So what is the differentiation with respect to y here? 1 by y differentiation is minus 1 by y square. So which will be here minus 2x by y square here. In the same way, dou n1 by dou x here. So x square differentiation is 2x here. So you will be getting here minus 2x by y square. Okay, so therefore dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x, right? So therefore dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x here. Okay, so therefore equation 2 is exact differential equation. Now coming to the formula, integration of m1 into dx plus integration of n1 not containing x terms whole into dy is equals to c. So what is the m1 terms here? What is the m1 term? Yes, you can see what is the m1 term here. M1 is 2x by y. So here 2x by y. Okay. into dx plus integration of n1 not containing x terms. Only y term is 1 by y square, right?
Minus
So
5.
here,
Minus
okay,
1 by
minus
y
1 is
square.
also there, right? Minus 1 is also there. So minus 1 by y square whole into dy is equals to c. So go with integration of x now. So 2 by y is treated as constant, so bring out the 2 by y, integration of x into dx plus integration of minus 1 into dy minus integration of 1 by y square into dy is equals to c. So what is integration of x here, which is x square by 2 here, and integration of dy is minus y here, and here you will be getting minus 1 by y, minus 1 by y means plus 1 by y here. Okay, is equals to c. So 2 will be getting cancelled. So x square by y minus y plus 1 by y is equals to c. So furtherly, if you want to do the LCM part, you can do it. Otherwise, you can move it up to here. Okay, so in this way, you need to solve this model 3 and model 4 problems. Okay. Still anybody is having any doubts here? రేపు నేను క్లాస్ లో మిమ్మల్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాను. ఓకే, ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ ద స్ట్రెంత్ లైక్ దిస్ 41 50లో వచ్చేసి మళ్ళీ 40లోకి వెళ్ళిపోవడము. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వే? మీరు క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చుంటే అలా మధ్యలో వెళ్ళిపోతారా? నేను చెప్తూ ఉంటే, క్లాస్ చెప్తూ ఉంటే మధ్యలో నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోతారా మీరు? ఇది ఆన్లైన్ కాబట్టి యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ దిస్ ఫెసిలిటీ, సో దట్స్ వై యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ లీవింగ్ ఇట్. So furtherly, you people won't come to the college. You people will, right? Okay. So రేపటి నుంచి నాకు స్ట్రెంగ్త్ రావాలి. ఇన్ఫార్మ్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే, సో రేపు నేను ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తాను. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ఏ మోడల్ ఏంటి అనేది మీరే నాకు చెప్పాలి, కంప్లీట్ సొల్యూషన్. ఓకే, ఎవరు చెప్తారు ఏంటి అనేది చూసుకోండి. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే కానీ మీకు రావు. ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎగ్జాక్ట్ కానీ నాన్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ కానీ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో నుంచి. ఓకేనా? చలో బేటా, బాయ్. This is for today's class. Okay. Still anybody is having any doubt beta in this one?
No, I'm clear.
Okay, beta. Okay, this is for today's class. Okay.